What is up? What is up? What is up, everybody? Happy Friday. So, today, well, first, two claps up in Ric Flair. Woo! But we're going to do this, I'm going to do this like as a Facebook story. So, I just did a live on this same topic, right? So, I'm talking about 7 mindset hacks for entrepreneurs because success is an inside out job. It all starts up here. So much of your business building depends on your mindset, right? Got my notes here. So then it's how do you deal with adversity? Because you're going to get knocked down, you're going to get kicked in the face, something crazy is going to happen, but it's not how many times you get knocked down, it's how many times you get up. Your willingness for risk, your tolerance for risk, and your willingness to learn, right? So the first thing, I'm going to give you 7 tips. Tip number 1, keep focused. So you want to keep focused because distractions are everywhere. And for me, I am easily distracted by shiny objects. I don't know if you're the same way, but so you can watch Netflix, you can surf on the internet, you can play games, you can your PlayStation, whatever it is, going out for drinks with friends. These are all distractions. But building a business requires you keeping focus. It requires immense focus. And without a solid foundation and that blueprint of success, you're going to struggle and you're going to spend too much money and become frustrated with these distractions. So let's look to stay focused first and foremost on your main goals. Number 2. So I'm a big comic book fan. So with comic books, the crest on Superman's chest for the House of El, Kal-El, it actually stands for hope. You want to have hope. Without hope, you're doomed, right? So no matter what you're going through, you have to remain focused and hopeful that you are going to reach your overachieving, your big goal, right? Without focus and hope, you'll chase the next shiny object that'll grab your attention. Number 3, they say done is better than perfect. So you want to take massive imperfect action. You got to accept the fact that you're going to make a ton of mistakes. But that's not what's important. That's not what's going to define you. If you're moving forward, regardless of how many mistakes you make, you are winning. Was that Charlie Sheen, right? You're winning. So whether we all make mistakes, we all fail, but what we do afterward. Like I said, it's not how many times you get knocked down, it's how many times you get up and what you do afterward. That's what matters in the end. And no matter, I'm working full time building out this business so I can work. So I'm working part-time in my business, but whether it's 30 minutes that you have for your business or 8 hours that you have for your business, you should do something every day to keep your business moving forward. And do 1%, be 1% better every day. You'll be shocked at the results you made when you look back on it at the end of the year. Number 4, when invest in you. Don't be afraid to spend. You can't be afraid of investing money. Not even spending money. I gotta get that word right. Investing money. Not saying you're gonna need $1 million in the bank, but you're going to have to spend some money, invest some money to invest in things like education, technology, customer acquisition. So whether it's Facebook ads, some people do solo ads, some people do, you can grow these things organically, and that's fine. That's great. I implement a lot of organic free traffic techniques. But with free, it takes a lot more time because you have to plant the seeds, you have to build, engage, and sell, you have to invest, learn, teach. So that takes time. But you could start out with smaller investments. But in time, when you do those small investments in time, you'll find that the more you spend, the more you can make. So number 4, don't be afraid to spend or invest. Number 5, we want to kiss it. Remember this one. Everybody knows this one, right? You want to kiss it. Keep it simple. Stupid. I didn't put the stupid on that one, but you want to keep it simple, right? Because keeping it simple, a lot of times we will look to complicate things in our head, complicate things with our actions, but we want to keep it simple. Or they used to say, keep it simple, silly, to be nice. So, like I said, there are systems out there. There are proven systems that work. And the systems, the duplication, there are things that you can follow for success when you're building your own business. Now, listen, you don't have to go out and create the next Uber or anything like that to have a successful business, but you want to find successful people, find mentors, see who's doing it in your field, and you want to do what they do. You know, a lot of times you can send somebody who you admire a quick email, a post, a DM, let them know that you like what they're doing and you want to see if you can follow what they do. They may have a course, they may mentor you, they may do something, but do those things that other people have done. So 5, keep it simple, stupid, silly. Number 6, I think it was John Maxwell. Begin with the end in mind. Have the end in mind. Without a big, meaningful goal, you're going to struggle with motivation. Our motivation is one of those things that go up and down every day, but rather than saying you want to build a business, rather than saying you want to lose the weight, think about why you want to build that business, why you want to lose that weight. Is it to help people? Is it to make sure you walk I'm a dad, I have a daughter. You want to make sure you're walking your daughter down the aisle, when she's ready to get married. So you want to stay healthy and be there. Is it financial freedom? Is it that freedom of time that you can look to, hey, babe, let's go on vacation next month, and you can just have that freedom just to go. So those things are going to drive you. Those things are going to help you, keep you focused and moving forward. So again, you want to have the end in mind. And number 7, I can't count. So this is the 7th mind hack, is to remember, you're not alone. You're not alone. Entrepreneurship can be a lonely grind, right? But you remember, you're not alone. You have, while you're working on this, while I'm doing this video, there are some entrepreneurs out there doing videos at the same time. There are millions of other entrepreneurs in the world. I have joined a community, a platform, an ecosystem where we have such a supportive group of entrepreneurs that we're cheering for each other. We're rooting each other on. We have mentors there who can help. You have mentorships. We have courses, people who have CBD, and these are all these weight loss, CBD, credit repair, clean products, all that stuff. And we have it all. They just show you how to brand you, how you market you. And so you can join our community, ask me how, and be happy to partner with you, share where I have learning how to market and how to brand myself. But those are the mindset tips. Those are the 7 mindset tips. If you get your mindset right, the rest will follow. So 1, keep focused. Number 2, stay hopeful. Number 3, take massive, imperfect action. Number 4, don't be afraid to spend. Invest in yourself. Number 5, keep it simple, silly. Number 6, have the end in mind. And number 7, remember, you're not alone as an entrepreneur. If you'd like to connect, if you'd like to learn about the community I'm a part of, I'd be happy to share that with you. And so we could all partner up and grow together. 2 claps up and a Ric Flair. Woo! Remember, a rising tide raises all ships. And as you raise your game, you'll allow others around you to do the same. All right, guys. Peace.